Today, I'm going to show you how I make shredded pork with sour bamboo, or Nqaij Tsaws nrog. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. My mom always makes shredded pork with mustard greens, but when we visited her brother years ago, I found out that he uses sour pickled bamboo instead of the greens. My favorite cut of pork is the shoulder. It has great marbling and the perfect fat to lean ratio. I mean, crispy pork belly is delicious, but pork shoulder is half the cost and perfect for other dishes. I didn't have any pork bones, but they'd be great to add into this dish too to level up the richness just a notch. On a high temperature, I'm just cooking up the pork with no oil. Pork already contains so much fat, it will eventually render, so there's no need to add more. Once the pork has no more pink on the outside, add just enough water to cover the pork. Lemongrass is optional, but I have so much in the freezer, I figured I'd use it. Reduce to a medium heat and keep a small crack on the lid to allow some water to evaporate as it cooks. Continue to keep an eye on it, and once the water has all evaporated, add water again. I let it boil down for about an hour. For the sour bamboo, I really use any brand, anything my store has available. Rinse all the brine off the bamboo. Once rinsed, just add it into the pot and mix. Salt for seasoning. And the pork might start breaking apart now. No problem. This is exactly what you want. Add a little bit more water to really let the sour bamboo flavor mix into the pork, creating a nice tangy dish. If you like yours crispy, then really cook it down, but I like mine just a little bit soft and juicy. I know you can toss the pork and bamboo into an Instant Pot or a crock pot, but that's not much of a video, is it? And I don't even have an Instant Pot. So for you Instant Pot experts that are going to comment that this is too much work, move on to the next video, please. Thank you. Check out this clip as Tao is goofing off and doesn't realize the camera is on.
You know it's recording, right?
Hi-yo! Let's taste it without the pepper.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. For now, check out these other videos.